NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Pathfinder Camping Multi-fuel Stove, Bourbon Chicken with Rice.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am back out at my hunting property. We camped out a couple days last week to get the land ready for this year's hunting season. So I've got some pictures here that I'll share with you while I'm doing this cooking video. But what do I have for today? Well, I've got my Serbian mess kit, of course. I've got some Crisco oil, and we're going to make some bourbon chicken with some rice here. I just need a little bit of sugar, soy sauce, which I have. I also grabbed a little bit of honey. Maybe I can add a little honey, make it honey bourbon chicken. I've got this nice little stainless steel bowl I'm going to use to mix up the sauce and the sugar and stuff. I'm going to use my Serbian mess kit, a little bit to boil the rice. I've got my Pathfinder skillet. And something new in this video that I'm going to use a little MSR can of fuel, because I have gotten this, the Pathfinder Camping Multi-fuel Stove. So I pre-ordered it when Dave Canterbury did his video on it, and now I have it. It arrived a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, show you what's in there, and then we'll go ahead and get the cook going. Alright, so unboxing the Pathfinder Camping Multi-fuel Stove. So when you open it up, here's what's going to come with it. So first, let's see if I take that. So this is your container for your white gas, because this stove does use white gas. Gives you a fuel line max. He explains it in the video pretty good. So I didn't bring any white gas with me, but I'm going to use that in another video and try the different fuels as we have them. This, of course, is the windscreen that comes with it. So this is pretty cool. It comes with this little carrying bag, and you have this awesome windscreen that unfolds that you can put up right on your stove. That is just absolutely awesome. Comes with this bag for your stove, and it comes with the accessories. So this you can put on the multi-fuel stove, which I'll show you in a second, so that you can use one of those 1 pound propane bottles. Here's the cap, obviously, for the white gas, and then here's some additional O-rings and some tools to help with maintenance of the stove if ever you had to do some maintenance on it. So, but I think it'll be quite a while before I have to do that. And there's directions that is provided, of course, explaining instruction use and how to do stuff, so it's all right there. That was awesome. And then here's the pump. So this is the pickup pump that will go into like this, and then you tighten that on, and then do your pumping, right, and then connect it to the stove itself. So for white gas, but as I said, I'm not doing that today. I'll do that in another cook in another video. And then, of course, the actual stove itself. This is kind of what it looks like all wrapped up. So I'll go ahead and unwrap this real quick, pull out these legs, get that from there, that from here, boom, boom, done. Look at that. So that's the stove here, legs out, and we're going to put and boil some water, make some rice with this, and then we're going to go ahead and cook that chicken. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I think it'll be awesome to using this for the first time today. So let me go get this hooked up, and we'll get it lit, and then we'll bring you right back. All right, let's go ahead and get this cook started. So I'm going to open up my Serbian mess kit. I put some water in here in the canteen version this morning. Pull this out. I'm going to take my canteen, and I'm just going to add this water to boil the rice. The rice is going to take the longest, so I'm just going to kind of do that first. Alright, that should be enough water. And on the side. So I've got the stove now configured so it can handle this. I'll put that right there to show you. So it's going to sit right there on these legs. I've got this connected in here. I'm going to put this over to the side. Got some matches here. I'm going to try to do it with matches and see if I can do. I'm just going to adjust this a little. Ooh, blew it out. Okay. My windscreen here. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Lit. Alright, so that jet's on. I'm sure you folks can hear it. So I'm just going to let that go and hopefully get this over boiled really quick. And then once we do that, throw that rice in there. So meantime, while I'm waiting for this to start boiling and add some water here, I'll show you some pictures of kind of the plan. The stand that we kind of worked on. Still got a little more to do, but just kind of give you that background.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series Turkey Calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientists.com or call 919-685-7641.
That's perfect. Let that boil away. All right, so while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and open up my chicken and get it into my Pathfinder skillet because we're going to cook that next. And then I'm going to also take the soy sauce, kind of mix it together in my little stainless steel bowl, and put those mixed together along with this seasoning packet. So again, this is for a significant amount of chicken at 1.5 pounds. So I'm just not going to use obviously all of this. I'm just going to use a part of it like I do in some of my other recipes. So let's just go ahead and get that mixed up while this is boiling. I got my stainless steel bowl right here. So I went ahead and added about 4 packets of soy sauce, as you saw me there. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of this cane sugar. I'm going to try that instead. Regular sugar. These are cracker barrels. A packet of that. We'll make this a little bit sweeter, so I'll do 2 packs. There. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my seasoning packet here. We're going to add about, I'm going to say about half, or maybe a little less than half. So we'll go ahead and just do that. Roll this up. Go ahead and take my spork here, and I'm just going to go ahead and, as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. Good coating for that chicken. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit. Take my lid off my Pathfinder skillet. I'm gonna pop open this can of chicken. Just a little bit of the water in there. I'm going to drain the rest out. Okay, and then we're going to pop all that chicken in there. Perfect. Get some trash where it belongs. Right in the can. Alright, so this boiling a bag rice I know is done. So I'm going to go ahead and see how hot this handle is. That's not too bad. So this is definitely done, this rice. So you can see right there. I'm just going to let it sit in hot water. Put this over on the side. I'm now going to take my skillet, lock the handle. The handle's nice and locked, and I'm going to put my skillet right on this stove. We're going to get this chicken heated up and heated through, maybe browned a little bit. I can already see the smoke rising from the plate chicken. So as soon as this chicken starts to brown, then I'm going to go ahead and add the sauce. And you can see it doesn't take long for this fuel canister with the stove to heat this chicken, heat this pan, I should say. Alright, so once this browns a little bit, I'll bring it right in. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this. I'm going to let this heat through. Okay. And just for a little bit extra, I'm going to add just this little bit of honey. So I borrowed some Chick-fil-A pure honey here. Just kind of drizzle that around a little bit. So I'm going to make this like a honey bourbon chicken. Try to mix up the recipes a little bit and do something a little different. Now this fuel canister seems to be lasting pretty long. I was able to boil that water for the rice and cook this chicken. And I'd only used it just to do a test run on my MRS stove that I have in my Stanley 2-cup cook kit. I had never used one of those kinds of stoves before when I started this, so I just wanted to see how, make sure I put it together, turn it on, light it, make sure it all worked right. And it did, of course, as I expected. But since I'd never done it before, I tried to try with it, But this looks amazing. It smells amazing. I didn't have any breakfast this morning because I wanted to get out of here early before it got too hot. Lucky we got a little bit of a cold front coming through, so it is a little bit cooler. So I'm just going to let this heat. Look at that. This is just going to be a great. I think I'm just going to eat it right out of the frying pan. Could always use my bowl that comes with the Serbian mess kit that one of my subscribers sent to me to check out. I love using it. I also love the Pathfinder canteen, but I've just been using that the Serbian kit for a while. Just really seem to like it. So, well, let's go ahead and I'm going to just remove this and just kind of show you the stove, so you can see it's hot. That metal's hot. You can feel it. It is definitely blowing. There's the adjustment. I can adjust it with the knob on the fuel canister here, and then that controls how much obviously gas is going through. But it's doing real well. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and shut off the stove. Let's turn that off. Nice and tight, done. Look at this. This is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the old, we'll give you a little taste test. I'm going to get some chicken and some rice here and see how it tastes. Wow. That's really good. I can taste the spice from the packet, a little soy sauce. I can even taste a little bit of that honey, so that's kind of good. Oh. Awesome. Just what I needed this morning after doing some work on the property. So, stove held up great. I'm just going to let that cool, obviously, before I put it away and disconnect everything. But, wow, that's awesome. So, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for subscribing. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you have a comment, please go ahead and send a comment. I'm happy to respond to that. We've got 51 subscribers at this point, so really looking forward to hit that 100 mark. And I tell you what, if we get 100 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and raffle off to one of those 100 subscribers, and I'm going to get them some kind of gift. I'm thinking about maybe a Pathfinder skillet set, or or a Stanley 2-cup cook set. So, I'm thinking about it. So we can hit that 100. We'll do a kind of a free giveaway with the channel. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate all the support, and we'll see you next time soon with a brand new video. Thanks.